Welcome back. Today it is so nice outside. I just had to shoot this video. Today we'll be going to the Toyota dealership, which I'm already at, to get the 5,000 mile maintenance done that this truck requires. It is totally complimentary, so if you buy one of these trucks, it doesn't cost anything, totally free. We'll cover exactly what they do, whether that be oil changes or just regular maintenance, exactly what is covered by Toyota, what do they do when you bring your truck in for your 5,000 mile maintenance, and everything that's included. So we'll go ahead and jump in, let them take care of the truck, and then look at the paperwork when they're done and figure out what exactly they did. With the 5,000 mile service, there's really going to be about 7 things that the dealership does. Again, this completely is different depending on which dealer you go to, but all in all, it's pretty much going to be the same thing. So we'll start out with number 1. That's going to be making sure that your floor mats are secure. I know it kind of seems kind of silly, but that is something that they check, because the last thing you want is your floor mat sliding up and keeping you from being able to hit either the gas pedal or the brake pedal. The second thing that they do, and the one that I think is really the biggest deal, which makes it worth going to the service, is that they rotate your tires. The third thing that they're going to do is inspect your wiper blades and make sure that they don't need to be replaced. Obviously at 5,000 miles, unless you're just driving in rain 24/7, I don't think you're going to have any problems with that. Next, what they're going to do is inspect all the fluid. So this will be your windshield wiper fluid, your coolant. Now it'd be nice if they inspected the gas level and went ahead and topped your back off, but these tank sizes aren't really that big anyway, so wouldn't really be a huge benefit. But they'll check all like brake fluid levels, make sure all the levels of all the fluids in your truck are where they need to be, that they're not overflowing or empty. The next thing is not going to be an oil change. Most dealerships will not give you an oil change. Now, you do get oil changes for free. I've seen some people where they're able to get the dealer to give them a free oil change. Other dealers, they are going to be like, if you want an oil change done, you need to pay full price for it. Some are like, okay, let's just do half price. But an oil change at 5,000 miles is not something that is included mandatory through Toyota. Checking your brakes is going to be the next thing that they're going to look for. Check the brake linings, make sure everything's nice and secure there, that there's not any worn hoses or anything like that. So that's going to be the next thing that they do, is check the brakes, make sure everything looks good there. Then they're going to finish it off with a multi-point inspection. So that's going to be I'm not sure actually how many points. I know some places it's like 100 points, 50 points. They're just going to check pretty much everything on the truck, top to bottom, and make sure that it is running as it should, that there's not any loose bolts or anything like that. And last but not least, this is something that some dealers might do, others might not, and that's give you a free car wash. I washed my truck before I dropped it off today, so there's no need for them to wash it. Some dealers will give you a free car wash. Some dealers give you a free car wash if you buy a car there for life. Like they have car washes built on site. So that's something that you may or may not get depending on what dealer you go to, but it's something you could get for free included in that 5,000 mile checkup. Looking at the paperwork here, we can see it has 5K tire rotation, so they rotated the tires and then did a courtesy multi-point inspection. So they just checked, make sure everything's working well, and that's all they did for this. So there it is. That's everything that the 5,000 mile inspection comes with. Every dealership's different. Every state, I think, slightly different for exactly what it is that they do and what you can expect. That's everything this dealership offers. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.